What is going on, LEGO investors? So today we got to go over a set that I've talked about previously, so a little of this might be repetitive, but we got to go over it since it just came out, and we're now seeing what the minifigure is doing and price-wise. So I like that LEGO made this set and with this minifigure, but I really wish LEGO would have included this minifigure in a much more expensive set. And we're starting to notice a trend that the more expensive rare minifigures, LEGO is including them in cheaper sets to give everyone access, which is definitely great, but for investing, that really hurts the minifigure, and it sometimes can hurt the previous minifigure that is already out. So we'll see how this minifigure is currently doing right now, and I'll give my thoughts and opinions on this set, and I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions. Please comment down below. It will definitely help the channel and will help the community. So today we're going to talk about the Jedi Bob's Starfighter. So if you're not familiar with Jedi Bob is an infamous, awesome, rare LEGO character in just the LEGO environment. He was included in a expensive, well, a pretty decent set earlier on, and he didn't have a name, and he kind of became like a meme type joke, and everyone just referred to this minifigure as Jedi Bob. And I think it's genius how they are doing the Rebuild the Galaxy, and they included Jedi Bob officially in a set and gave him the name Jedi Bob. So whoever came up with that idea really needs a raise in promotion. So we'll take a look at that set that he came out originally, but this one, I really wish they would have done a more expensive set. I wish it would have been like a $160 set, because it would have helped keep this minifigure rare, and it would have gave a nice price point to the minifigure. Right now the previous minifigure is doing serious money, which we're going to take a look at, and this one's just not going to do serious money because they're not going to release a $40 set and then this minifigure is going to sell for $100, $50. It ultimately lowers down the price when you get in the cheaper sets because there's just so many produced. And Starfighters recently have not done well at all in regards to sales. So this is just going to be mass produced beyond no belief, and ultimately it's going to drive down the price of Jedi Bob. And I kind of think it's going to tarnish his name in a sense. So we got 3 minifigures in here. One, obviously Jedi Bob with the lightsaber, Akbar Trooper with a blaster, and then the SRV-0 droid. And honestly, I don't really care about Akbar Trooper. I just care about Jedi Bob. And the droid, I don't invest in droids. Sometimes they can do very well. Sometimes they can go berserk. Sometimes they just don't do well at all. So really, honestly, everyone from the investors that I've spoken to, they're just buying this set for Jedi Bob. And there's a lot of talk about it on YouTube and Facebook, so definitely do some analysis and research before you consider investing in this set. So since this is a Starfighter, let's just take a look at some Starfighters that have came out previously so we can just kind of compare, because we have to look at this stuff when we're considering buying this set. So we got Obi-Wan's Jedi Starfighter, retail for $99, value of $360. And then Plo Koon's, I'm totally mispronouncing that name, Jedi Starfighter, which is real. I love the coloring on that, retail for $24.99, value of $180. Mace Windu's Starfighter, retail for $39.99, value of $325. The previous Starfighters have done phenomenal. We got Anakin's Jedi Starfighter, retail for $19.99, value of $78. But the most recent Starfighters just have done terrible, especially Obi-Wan's. This one retail for $29.99, value of $173. I think these days are long gone. We got Anakin's custom Jedi Starfighter, which is phenomenal. I just love this set. This one retail for $39.99, value of $191. And then we just got the regular Starfighter in 2002, retail for $20, value of $149. So we've definitely got a lot of Starfighters previously. And the most recent one just has done absolutely terrible. And it's this one right here, item number 75333, Obi-Wan Kenobi's Jedi Starfighter. Everyone has just pretty much bought it for this one minifigure. This one retailed for $29.99, and it's been on sale for I think $23.99, and it still has not been selling. And it's included in the 3-in-1 pack now. So I just don't think Jedi Bob's going to be strong enough to really sell this set out. I just don't think. I think there's just going to be too much inventory. If this set was out for a year, then yeah, we could see some decent numbers on this set, but it's going to be out for a long time. I wouldn't be surprised if it's going to be out past a 2-year retirement because Lego thinks that this is going to go berserk and everyone's going to want it. We're starting to see a trend where Lego sets just do not sell and they stay in stock after retirement, and I think this one's going to follow the same path. So before we start taking a look at the pricing right now of Jedi Bob, let's take a look at the original set that he came in. So this was the Lego Star Wars Republic gunship item number 7163. And here he is right here. So this set has a value right now of $1,050.47. It retail for $89.99. Absolutely insane. And he's got a price, and you'll see here, the Jedi Knight. That's what the name they gave him, and just somebody called him Jedi Bob, and it's just stuck forever. He has a value right now of $150.54. So I really, really wish Lego would have included our Jedi Bob in a much more expensive set, so we could have gotten a higher price tag. You know, I want to see Jedi Bob, a new one, sell for $50. I want that rarity. I want that uniqueness. We don't have a bunch of these, but Lego just seems to want to be flooding the market on more expensive minifigures. I think they're trying to destroy the secondary market. A lot of you might not agree with that, but I think that's how it's going to go because they want investors to go to them. Are you going to pay $150 for this Jedi Bob, or are you going to pay $40 for yours? I think majority of everyone's going to buy this one. You'll have some completists out there that will want to buy the original one, but that's just few and far between. So let's take a look at how the Akbar Trooper is doing. Well, I should say the previous minifigures have done. We got Admiral Akbar, $11.19, and then Admiral Akbar, $19.08. So not really the best there. And then the droids are all over the place. But like I said, I don't really care for droids. So let's take a look at how our set is doing on eBay right now. So this one just came out, and it's selling for, let's see, $33.99. And then Jedi Bob pre-order, selling for $20. $38 here, $34, $33. This one sold for $85, which is shocking. And then we've got, let's see, $38 there, $42, $49. So let's see if we could take a look at how Jedi Bob is doing alone. Let's see, can we, on this one, yeah, it's the same thing. Includes both. Let's see if we can type minifigure in here and so 20, let's see, $19.95, $28 there, $17.98, $29.95. All three have sold for $45. So that's a shocking one to me. And that one sold on July 24th. Akbar did $10 there. And then this is the previous minifigure. So right now, Jedi Bob is pulling in $20. And honestly, that kind of bothers me. Again, like I said, Lego is specifically choosing rare, expensive minifigures, and they're including them in small sets. And I'm going to make a dedicated video on that because I'm sure you're probably saying, some people are just going to say, no, they're not. Yes, they are. So let's take a look at the original Jedi Bob from item number 7163. So he's pulling $89 here with no lightsaber. Let's see. Just the head for $27.99. $99 here, $99. $36 there, $110, $125, $100 there, $76, less than 87, $70, $99, $105, and these are all recent. Like, there's a huge demand and popularity with Jedi Bob. Or I should say the original one. This one sold for $99, $89, so really, really great pricing. This one sold for $149. So now the question is, now that we see the pricing of Jedi Bob selling for $20 on eBay, I think anywhere from, we'll say $20 to $30. I think 20 is an accurate number of what we're seeing. Do you honestly think that's going to go up in price when it does retire? I'm going to say no. I think that's just going to we're going to see the price go downhill. And it's a shame that whoever started this out sold it for $20. I think that was someone just trying to make a quick buck on parting out. I think the original price probably should have been in the $30 range. But if we're looking at $20 right now, I'm going to say in 2 years when it does retire, and I'm going to make some more dedicated videos of follow-ups to see how he's doing. Some of you like that I do those videos, some of you hate it, but I'm still going to do it anyways. I think Jedi Bob is going to end up probably around $10 to $15 in retirement. Because you have to think, there's going to be so many of these produced, and as time goes on, you're going to see more show up on eBay. and then the price just starts to deteriorate. And then when it officially does retire, you're going to see all the investors throw their sets up because they want to earn money on there. So I love that they created this, but really disappointed that they included him in such a cheap set. I think that was a huge mistake, and I honestly don't think this is going to be a good investment. I will probably buy one just so I have the minifigure. I don't see this one going berserk. Unless something rare happened and they have such a short shelf life for this set. So I want to hear your thoughts and opinions. Is this going to be a great investment overall because of Jedi Bob, or do you think it's just going to be just a cheap minifigure now and you're going to avoid investing in it? For me, it's avoiding it, but I need to hear your thoughts and opinions. So please comment down below. It will definitely help the channel, help the community. We love seeing your thoughts and opinions. But as always, please do your own research. Have some fun, make some money.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.